Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Stardew Valley multiplayer on PC. First, the host player needs to start a new co-op farm or load an existing save file. This creates the world where everyone will play together. Up to 4 players can join one farm on PC, making it a great experience for small groups. It's crucial that all participants have a stable internet connection for smooth gameplay. This setup ensures everyone can connect without issues. Once your farm is ready, inviting friends is straightforward. The host can generate an invite code directly within the game's co-op menu. Share this code with your friends so they can easily join your session. Players can connect through their respective platforms, like Steam or GOG Galaxy, using the provided code. Also, double-check that your firewall settings permit Stardew Valley to communicate, preventing any connection blocks. For each friend joining your farm, a cabin must be present. The host can build these cabins by visiting Robin at the carpenter's shop. Each cabin provides a home for a new farmer, allowing them to fully participate. While all players share the same money pool, individual inventories remain separate, encouraging teamwork and resource management. This structure ensures everyone has their own space while contributing to the collective farm. To maximize your multiplayer experience, communication is key. Regularly discuss farm goals and daily tasks to work efficiently as a team. Consider dividing responsibilities, with some players focusing on mining, others on farming, and perhaps one on fishing. This specialization can significantly boost your farm's productivity. For more great tips and to discover other deals, check the description below. You'll also find a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite there, perfect for reading anywhere.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.